Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would film a makeup tutorial. It's not really a tutorial, I'm just getting ready to film another video actually that's gonna be up probably before this one. So it's really like a really simple makeup because anyways, usually when I film like more like a talkative video, I do my everyday makeup. So that's what I'm gonna do. Maybe I'm gonna change up the lip a little bit, we'll see. Yeah, so and actually just get right into it really. So first I'm just gonna clip my hair up so it doesn't get in the way. As long as it stays up for now, we're good. So for my everyday makeup, you guys, I'll link it down below my old one, of course, for you guys. But for this one, I've been trying to switch my makeup a little bit because it's getting hot outside right now and I get really oily. So I'm trying a few different things. And the last time I did my makeup, it stayed on pretty well. So I'm gonna show you what I did. But it's gonna be really simple, guys. Like, don't expect like a full eyeshadow. I'm not gonna do eyeshadow, it's really gonna be simple. So for my base, what I use usually first, it's my Beverly Fit Porefessionel. I have a small sample that you guys, some use a couple times. Actually, like the more I use it, the more I like it. At first I didn't like it, I didn't understand what it did. But what I do is put a little bit here, on my forehead, and a little bit on my chin. I'll put just the smallest amount on my face, and then I just make sure it really goes in my pores. Next, what I do, I take my Mercier Transluscent powder and I take my beauty blender, a damp one. So I'm just gonna set my face before I put my foundation, just to get rid of like the extra oils that I have. I don't bake or anything, I really press it on. And I also put it on my eyelids because I do get oily over there. And since I'm not doing any eyeshadow today, it's better to keep it matte. So now I'm gonna do my foundation. So first I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me number 340 because this is the color that matches me the most right now. It's not the best match because anyways my body is so light compared to my face, so I don't really mind that, but what can you do? And then I take the tiniest bit of the Matte and Poreless Fit Me in number 355. Just a little bit, mostly in the outer corner, because it is too dark for me, but I like the warmth that it gives me. That's why I use it. And now I'm just gonna take my brush and blend it in. So next I'm gonna do my brows. I'm gonna use my Anastasia brow wiz. You guys seen me do this like a million times, so I'm just gonna link it down below and we'll get right back. Okay, so now that my eyebrows are filled in, I'm gonna conceal them and kind of shape them a little bit more with my Fit Me concealer, like you guys see me do a million times too. Like right now they're looking, except this one. This one is so weird. Anyways, I'm just gonna clean them up. Then I'm gonna do my under eyes too. So I'm gonna go in the inner corner here to make me look awake. And then I'm gonna put a little bit here. I'm having those dark circles. I'm gonna put a little bit on my eyelids too. My nose. I don't do this every day, you guys, like my nose and here. I don't. But I will do my under eyes and my eyebrows, that's for sure. I should wait a little bit for it to set. I'm gonna take my beauty blender again, the same one I used before. I'm just gonna blend everything. Like I said in my last video, I usually take, if I'm in a rush, I'll take my brush. But if I really want the most coverage, I'll take my beauty blender because it gives me the most coverage and also it blends it really, really well. Instead of dragging it, and like I feel like when I use my brush, everything just gets smeared and it's almost like I didn't put anything. That makes sense. My eyebrows, I'm gonna use my brush because it's easier for me. The same brush I use for my foundation. So now I'm gonna take my spoolie and just go back on my brows and make sure they're all brushed nicely like that. So now I'm gonna go back with my Mercier Transluscent powder and I'm just gonna set my concealer. And I'm gonna put it on my eyelids too, because I get oily there also. So next I'm gonna bronze up my face. I'm gonna use my Anastasia contour kit, the one that's medium to tan. I'm gonna use the darkest color, that's this one. And I need to find a brush. That's it. That's really it. It's enough. So next we're gonna do the eyes, my mascara and my false lashes. So for mascara, I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Telescopic. And now I'm gonna put my false lashes. Ooh. Same ones I always use, my number 11 by Kiss. They look like that. You can see. They look really natural. So I'm just gonna go and put my lashes off camera. And I'll be right back. Okay, so the lashes are on. So now I'm gonna highlight my face and I'm gonna use my Master Chrome first. I'll take my highlight brush, take a little bit, I'm gonna put it on my cheeks. I'm gonna put a little bit on my forehead too, because why not? And I'm gonna use my Anastasia with Mercier collaboration highlight. And I'll put it on top of the Master Chrome. now I'm gonna set my face before I do my lips. I'm gonna use my all-nighter today because I need it to last. I go back with my highlight and put more on top. Like this. So this is pretty much my face. Now I'm gonna do my lips. I don't really know what I'm gonna do for my lips. I think I'm gonna do a red lip. So first I'm gonna use my brown lip liner. I'm gonna use I just bought the liquid lipstick by Anastasia in the color Seraphine. If you want to know where I got it, you guys have to check my other video, which is gonna be linked down below, because this is what I'm filming right after, but it's gonna be up before this one. So this is what I want to do today. So I'm gonna go do my hair, change my shirt, and I'm gonna be right back to show you the finished look. So just give me 2 seconds. Okay guys, so I'm back. This is the finished look. I really like it. This is basically my everyday makeup look, and you guys can see how just one lipstick can change the whole damn look. Because if you're gonna see my other one, or even my last haul that I did back February, I think, it was basically this look but different products, and I had a nude lip and it looks totally different, and you guys can see it's looking pretty good. I really love that lipstick. I didn't think I would love it that much because it's pretty bright, but it looks so good. So anyways guys, I'll see you in my next video. Like I said, everything will be down below, all the products and everything, like always. Also, I'm gonna link my eyebrow tutorial down below. I'm gonna put my everyday makeup tutorial. I'm gonna put my haul if you guys missed it, and it's gonna tell you where I got that lipstick from, because it's not from Sephora, which usually this is where I buy my Anastasia products. Yeah, so if you want to check it, just check down below. Everything will be down there, like all the products, like I said. And I'll see you in my next video. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you like my video, and if you do, welcome to the family, and I'll see you next time guys. Bye.